Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to remove objects and people from photos on your mobile phone. Let me show you before your picture and after your picture. You can remove the object, photos and everything through your mobile phone. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile, I just want to open Google Chrome browser and I just search for cleanup.pictures. I have given the description link, just click the link. That link will direct you to the cleanup.picture, remove object, people, text from the defected any areas. So just hit the button, so cleanup.pictures. So you can remove unwanted objects, defects, people or text from your picture. For example, if you have your text over here and objects, you can remove. So how to do that? So just click a tap to load your picture, and when you tap to load your picture, it will ask you to select the image. So you can browse the image or you can using from your images also. So using my camera, so I can remove the pictures. What are the pictures I don't want, I can remove according to my needs. So I just want to select these pictures to remove that a particular area. I just select the picture over here. So the picture is selected. So this is the picture. So I just want to remove this area. So I just click here to continue with SD. So once I select the continue with SD option, so the picture will be open here. So I just want to remove this area. So you can reduce the brush size also. I just want to reduce the brush size and I just brush it out where I want to remove the area. Just select the object and just select here for the clean. Once you select the clean option, automatically my picture will be clean and neat as you see here. So before that, if you want to see before, so just click the eye icon. So this is the before, and again you click the same icon, the after. So again there will be a text will be there in my picture. I just want to remove this text. What I have to do here, so the same brush option, so just select the brush and remove that and use the clean. Once you select the clean option, automatically the text will be removed and it will be moved into my picture. So as you see here, so this is the before. While I select this one, this is the before and this is the after. So I can use this picture into different kind of way. So just click here for the download option. So once I select the download, I can share as a WhatsApp, email as well as Instagram, so any other social media. So this is a cool option to use to remove any other objects, text from your picture using your mobile phone. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.